Hey guys! Today's method of making hot glue pins, magnets and accessories is so simple, I don't know why I didn't do it sooner. So let's get started. First we need an image. You can either draw it yourself or use printed images. Next cut out the images. Shapes with straight lines are the easiest to work with. Now you will need hot glue, baking paper or silicone, and something flat like this guy. Option 1 is using baking paper. First I want to cover the back side of the image with hot glue. I just noticed that the front image comes out better that way. You don't need to cover the whole image, since the glue will spread under the weight of this heavy Wookie. Let the glue cool down, peel it off, and repeat the same thing on the other side. You want to get the glue as thin as possible. Now we just need to trim the glue. You don't want to cut into the paper, it doesn't look so good. Long and straight cuts are easier to do, so they end up looking neater. Curves work too, but the more cuts you use, the messier they look. If you want to make your pins shiny, you can use shiny silicone to press the glue flat. Here I'm also using super clear glue sticks, so the result is even better. Let's talk about the transparency of the glue. Any hot glue that has a little transparency will work. Even glow-in-the-dark glue sticks work. But of course, the clearer the glue stick, the clearer the outcome. The thinner you can press the glue, the clearer it will get. Smaller designs end up looking clearer because it's easier to make the glue thin. A shiny finish is a bit clearer than a matte finish. To create a pin, I tried gluing a safety pin to the back. It worked well and was actually nicer to use than the brooch pins I bought for this video. You can create fridge magnets as well, although I just stuck them on with adhesive putty because I'm cheap. For keychains and jewelry, carefully poke the glue with a map tack and insert a jump ring. You can make double-sided accessories if you want to. For more hot glue ideas, check out this playlist, and thanks for watching!